Hello everyone, I'm Arjun from Atiroh AV Solutions, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you the Spotlight tool in the Atiroh Interactive Panel. Now the Spotlight tool, as the name suggests, is basically used to give a spotlight to a section you're explaining. Let me show you how this tool works. Let us now say that you're explaining a concept, something like a human heart anatomy, and you want to divert your audience's attention to a particular section. You can easily do that using this tool. Let me just demonstrate that now. Let me just open up my browser wherein I have preloaded this image, and let me open up my Spotlight tool. As you can see here that I now have a spotlight that is on and the remaining section of the panel has been darkened, right? So now as I'm explaining, I can now move the spotlight to the section that needs attention, or the section to which I want my audience to focus on. So you can use this to any sections. For example, if you're explaining a video, you can use the annotate tool, pause the video, and then divert the audience's attention to a particular section of the video. As you can see, this is a very diverse tool where you can actually remove all the distractions from the video and divert your audience's attention to a particular section. Thank you.